Looking for a heavy-duty charging solution? The dual USB AC-DC charger with an 8-foot-long nylon USB cable from Celltronix is a perfect alternative to cheap charging accessories. With the dual USB AC-DC 2-in-1 charger, you can easily charge all your devices from your car or a wall outlet. With a tangle-free braided nylon exterior, the USB cable is both durable and usable. The Apple 30-pin works with iPhone 4, 4S, and other iPad 30-pin models. Celltronix promises a high-quality product by offering a lifetime warranty. Get tough. Get Celltronix.